Asia-Pacific markets fell on Wednesday as investors weighed elevated global bond yields and renewed geopolitical tensions, following remarks from U.S. President Donald Trump that he was an hour away from deciding to attack Iran before delaying the strike. U.S. Treasury yields continued to climb as investors dumped bonds on fears of rising inflation. The 30-year Treasury yield briefly touched its highest level since July 2007 before easing slightly in later trading. In Japan, government bond yields showed mixed movement, with 30-year yields easing slightly after hitting record highs earlier in the week, while shorter-term yields continued to rise, with the 5-year yield reaching a record level. Analysts said the rise in Japanese yields is part of a broader global duration reset in bond markets, adding that it is gradually tightening financial conditions but is not expected to trigger systemic stress. Across Asia, equities closed lower. Japan's Nikkei 225 fell, along with the Topix index. South Korea's Kospi and Kosdaq also declined, while Australia's S&P ASX 200 and Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index both ended lower. Mainland China's CSI 300 also slipped. In Wall Street futures trade, U.S. stock futures moved slightly higher, but overnight U.S. markets had already closed lower for a third consecutive session. The S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, and Dow Jones Industrial Average all posted losses as rising bond yields weighed on sentiment and pressured equities.